Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to get the live wallpaper in this device. So in this device you can see this is the wallpaper. So let me show you how to set a live wallpaper. First of all we need to take a live photo for. Okay, so you can see this is a live photo on the, that means you can see the live symbol on the top left side. You can see here. This is a live photo. So after select the photo, now tap on the share button on the bottom left side. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option use as wallpaper. Tap on this one. You can see. Now tap on add. Okay. Actually, this live wallpaper will work for only for the lock screen, not for the home screen. Okay. Now tap on set as wallpaper pair. So let me show you how it works. Lock the device. You can see it's moving. The live wallpaper. So simply in this way you can get the live wallpaper in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.